Dryness, burning sensation of eyes, having a sensation of sand or grit in your eyes, itching, stinging, tired eyes, redness, pulling of your eyes, or sensation of pressure behind your eyes. These are signs and symptoms of dry eyes. Now, dry eyes happens because of too much evaporation of tear, abnormal functioning of the tear gland, abnormal composition of the tear, and it's a condition known as keratoconjunctivitis sicca, KCS. Now, this is something which happens to a lot of people, and if you don't pay any heed, it creates a lot of irritation and can damage your eye in the long run. People who face this problem can be because of tear composition, because of contact lenses, because of wearing of or a LASIK surgery, diabetes, women who are in menopause, people who have rheumatoid arthritis, or who are taking certain medication. Now, what can you do to prevent this? First, identify the root cause of why this is happening and look at eliminating that. Besides that, adding EPA and DHA based omega-3 along with GLA, gamma linolenic acid, would be beneficial, and using eye drops which have vitamin A, palminate, or kerosene eye drops. These are the things that can help you. Have a wonderful day, everyone, and we'll catch up soon. Namaste.